Hello everyone, today we are going to be doing a brief overview of Yelo. Yelo is a hyper-local ordering platform that empowers local businesses. So as you can see, this is the back end of Yelo and this is what the front end of Yelo looks like. Moving on to back end, we have at first 6 pointers in the get started section. Add products. Here you can add the products you like onto your catalog. Set up restaurants. Here you can change the name of the restaurant, add the restaurant address, choose the restaurant logo and such, and just go at the bottom and save. Add domain. Here, if you have already bought a domain, you can inculcate that domain onto the platform, or we also provide the option to buy the domain of your choice from the dashboard itself. Set up delivery configurations. Here you can choose which delivery mode you would like your platform to have. Takeaway, home delivery, pick up and drop. Would you be having any restrictions on your serving area? What will be the delivery time? What will be the delivery charge? And we also provide the option to enable the toggle if you are using Token, that is a logistics platform that we provide. Choose plan. So this is just for choosing the plan that you are currently on or you wish to would change into, and create first order. So it just directs you to the Yelo again. Moving on to home. So here it is just an analytical data where you can see your sales, your customer, restaurants, how many orders are cancelled, how many are pending, how many are dispatched, how many restaurants are active, how many are inactive, how many are open and such. Moving on to orders. Here you can see all of the orders that have been placed on a platform. So here a system generates a unique order ID, which you can see. You can also see from which restaurant the order was placed, what was the customer name, what were the details. Moving on to restaurants as well. So here you just get a bird eye view of all of the restaurants that are onboarded onto your platform. And if you want to see what is going on in them, just click on the store ID and you can see all the details that you require. Here you can also have the option of catalog, so you can add the products restaurant wise here as well. And we have configuration as well. So here you can have scheduling options. Do you have stores that are only open on specific times? What workflow do you want them to have? They want to automatically accept the order, or do they want to do it manually? Do you want to show the restaurant's timing? Do you want to show the veg non-veg status? What will be the search charges? Is there any sort of minimum order amount? Is there any reminder? What is the workflow? Is there any one booking per time slot system? And you can also have the option of checkout template. So if you require any details from your end customer when they are checking out, you can create checkout template here and it would be done that way. Moving on to products. So here you can see that you can have a catalog option of adding the products. Here I have clicked the store name 5. I can also click coffee house, and here you can see this. You can also select cafe bites. Again, butter naan has been added to all of them. It is a specialty, I guess. And store name 4. So here you get the option to add your products. Products can be added categorically. You can make a category, have a subcategory, then again a subcategory. Let me just show you how to make a category. Test. Now, in this test, you get the option to add a subcategory or add a product. In this category, let's add another category. And this is how it looks. So test 1, and again you get the option to add a subcategory or add a product. So let's finally add a product. Test 0022 or 11, and let's keep it 200. Add. See, so this is how you can add the products in your required manner. Then we have master brand. So suppose you are a marketplace that wants to cater to everyone with a similar catalog. So you can make a master catalog and assign those to your restaurants. Customer. Here you get the option to see all the details of customer. You also have this option to edit. So you can edit the name, last name. You can also block, view, delete. analytics, this. So here you have a bird's eye view of all of the revenue that is going on your platform. So here you can see all of the orders that were done, the live revenue, live customer, live orders. So right now on this platform, not many orders are made. That's why it's a little bit empty. But when you start your business and it's up and running, it would be a lot more full. We also provide the option of marketing. In marketing, we have promo codes, discounts, referral, ad banners, loyalty points. So let me just show you how the promo code works. Let me just name it test promo. We'll have a flat discount. You can also have a flat discount or percentage discount. I'm choosing for flat. So it would be flat 100 off. And it will be till 15 of August. So I can also choose if I want to apply it on a minimum order amount. So flat 100 off will be on a minimum order amount of 200. I can also choose where this promotion will be applied. Will it be on cart value, delivery charge, or product? So cart value would be delivery charge plus product. So choosing the cart value, you can also assign the restaurants. So do you want this discount to be only there on few restaurants? You can choose that here. So here I'm going to choose Khana Khazana and add. So this field is mandatory. So you always have to write something in the description. So just writing it randomly and add. So the promo code is live. Discount. So the same way discount works as well. You can add a discount 10. It would be 10%. So discount name max amount would be 400. I can choose a particular product as well. So let's say I only wanted to be on blueberry cheesecake and it will be till 25th of July and add. We also provide the option of push campaigns for customers and restaurants, and we also have the option of SEO as well. So we provide these tools to our customers and it is up to you how you want to inculcate into your system. Notification. So here we provide the notification sound for when the order is placed. We also have the notification for admin restaurant notifications. It is also there for if you want to set up a reminder for unaccepted orders, customer notifications, and printer template. So what is the order template here? When a customer places an order, they get a receipt. This is the order template and you can also edit it as well. So whatever you like it to be there, it can be there. Notification logs. So let's say a new customer has signed up, you'll get the notification here. DLT, it is for the messaging platform. So if you wish to message your customers through normal SMS way, you can do that. We also have in the integration configure DMS, webhooks, custom payment gateway. So for example, you want to enable the, if you want to enable the payment method, you can do it through custom gateway, custom payment gateway. We also have configure. So we also provide the option to edit the layout according to your wish. So here we provide the option to change the color of the theme as your heart requires and what you want the customers to see. So we also provide this option of visibility to customer themes. You can choose the theme that you want to explore. These are all the themes that we offer. Content pages, you can have it on the marketplace level or on the store level. Store pages would be that. User settings. So if you want to have any changes regarding customer, restaurant managers or roles in the user setting, you can do that as well. Order settings. So here is the settings regarding the catalog. If you want to enable the wedge filter, you can do that. If you don't, you can disable it. If you want to enable master brand, as I explained previously, that can be done as well. Admin approval for products. If you want the merchant to only add products after your approval, that can be done as well. You also have this option of business categories and such. So these are all the options for checkout as well. We have the payment option, the checkout template again is there, order template, delivery. So delivery modes, delivery time, delivery flow by token, all of the changes that you require for delivery would be done here. orders. Again, if you want to manually accept the order, you can just enable this. If you disable it, all the orders will be automatically accepted. Again, task tracking, rating, and review. If you enable this to allow the customer to reach merchants on the platform, so you can just enable it. Since I am on a trial plan, it is not getting enabled now, but it can be done as you want. Cancellation. So if a client orders cancels the order, you can provide them the reasons that they can click while canceling the order. You can also have a commission setup as well. Taxes and charges. So you can apply taxes on restaurant level, or you can also apply taxes at marketplace level as well. Let me just show you an example. Marketplace tax. Let's say I want to have a tax of 150 rupees. The tax type would be fixed. It will be applied on product, marketplace, or delivery. So here you can choose where you want to apply it. I want to apply it on marketplace. You can also select the restaurants on which it will be applied. So 7 restaurants have been selected since it is a marketplace, and you can assign a city and submit. And this is live. So everything is very user friendly, as you can see. Moving on to general settings. So here you can choose the country that you would be serving in, your currency formatting, time zone, time format. So these are all the changes that you can do regarding your preferences. Here is marketplace. So if you want to set up a timing onto which your marketplace will be available, you can do that as well. Terminology. So let's say you want the restaurant to be there in different language. You can select the language that you wish. As you can see, we have a lot of languages to offer. Let's say you want to change the terminology when the order is placed. You want it to, instead of order placed, order done. So you can change it here, and you just have to go at the bottom and save. Since I have not made any changes, it is a little bit light blue. City configuration. So you can also make changes according to the configuration of the city. You can also create a geofence as you like. Let's say in three, you only serve in 3 cities, so that can be done as well. Settings. Here you can see all of your account details. So here you can see that my email, my name, and the plan I'm using, it is here. There is also a QR code. I can also see the language I'm operating in, billing. So any of your billings that in any of your billings that have been made, they would be reflecting here. So since I'm on a trial plan and no apps, so it shows here that I have no app, no merchant, or no customer. Keys. So here you can integrate all of the API keys that you have. So if you are not using Google, you're using Mapper, you can inculcate those keys onto here. And that was all regarding Yelo. So this was a brief overview, and I hope a lot of your issues have been cleared now. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. Today we are going to be seeing how you can place an order on Yelo. First, you can either sign up or you can log in. So I am just signing up here to provide you an example. I have been logged in. So here, as you can see, this is what Yelo front end looks like. Here are the banners, and when you click on a banner, it directs you to a particular store. Let's go back. Here are the categories. We have vegetable, fruits, oil, flour. We also have multiple merchants. Let's just go to a merchant and see. So we have multiple categories as well. We have dry fruits, and products are differentiated accordingly. Let's just check out. Proceed to pay. Pay by cash. And the order has been placed successfully. And this was an example of how you can do it too.